Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another tutorial series in this Django tutorial series. And in this video we are going to explore more about the templating. And this is not an ideal way of writing HTML for your website. In Django there is a separate way of creating HTML content separately in templates. So let's just go ahead and create a new folder in our app main, and we'll say templates, and then we have to again create another folder and name it main. This is a Django way of creating templates, and we'll just create another file inside main saying index.html, and we'll just give one heading saying this is returning from the templates folder. So in order to link to this index.html, we have already opened render over here. We'll just do return render request and path to where the file is, that is main/index.html, which is main/index.html. So let's just try to open it, and it's loading. This is returning from the templates folder. So whatever you want to create over here, it's gonna create in this over here. So to view the contents in the HTML index.html, it's a separate new thing, which I think would be better if we discussed in another video. But for right now, I think that should be the end for the template rendering to a HTML template. So basically you create multiple HTML files inside this templates folder, and then it will be well managed and it's very easier to follow through. So if you have any questions till now, just let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching.